Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nitin Jain and this is the day 30th of 75 day hard English speaking challenge. So I have completed all the tasks of day 30, and as you know what is 75 day hard English speaking challenge. It is a challenge which I have taken to improve my English speaking, in which I have to perform 6 tasks every day. All the tasks in English, and that will help myself to improve my English speaking. And here is a rule, or if we call catch. Whenever I failed to do any task at any specific day, I have to restart this challenge from day one. So this is it. And what is this task? So first task is speaking, so I have to speak at least 5 to 10 minutes in English. And the second task is reading, so I have to read at least 2 pages every day of any English content. So our next task is thinking. So I have to think at least 5 to 10 minutes in English. It will help thinking habit. So our next task is vocabulary building. So for this part, I have to learn at least 5 new words in English. So yeah, and the next task is listening. So I have to listen at least 10 to 15 minutes in a day of any English specific English content. And the last task is writing. So I have to write a page which is about my day or any specific event. So these are the 6 tasks which I have to do in this 75 periods of time. So I have completed all the tasks of day 30, and I started on this on this challenge, or add new things, like I have to describe my day. So today is technically my day 31 of 75 day hard English speaking challenge, because I usually record the video after a day. So this is a 31 day and I have completed some of the tasks, and before this day end, I will complete all the tasks of day 31. So I have to talk about yesterday. So yesterday, because yesterday onwards there is a Daslakshan Dharm is Parv is started. Because I am Jain, so Jains are follow the Daslakshan Mahaparv. These are festival of the Jains, and they follow this festival for 10 days. And in this festival, or in this term, there is a 10 days, and 10 days are dedicated for 10 different qualities. Which will build the good man, or when we have to follow this quality and implement in ourselves. So these qualities help ourselves to become a good person or good people. uh, Yesterday is a day one of the Slakshan Dharm. So day one is about Uttam Chama, which is a supreme forgiveness. So in this day, the quality of forgiveness and asking for forgiveness. We have to build this quality on ourselves. So this day is only focused on that. We have to build the habit of forgiveness. The day is dedicated for that thing. And additionally, we Jains do lots of things during these 10 days. We do lots of daily rituals which we have to do in during these days. These are all basically related to the religious things, like we have to go the temple and do the rituals which we usually do on the temple, and restrict ourselves to lots of things like foods and the uses of resources. So we have to limit ourselves to uses of resources. Lots of people are doing fast during 10 days. Lots of people only eat once a day during these 10 days, and lots of people are only eat two, uh, two two times a day during these 10 days. So the lots of people are doing different kind of things according to their capability. So these kind of things are there. And all the Jains are during these 10 days, if engaged with the ritual things. So these kind of things are in the 10 days during Das Lakshan Dharma people are doing, and I have also engaged in these things. So yesterday I wake up early and get ready for the temple, and I wear the dhoti dupattas and go for the temple, and there I go, there I do the daily rituals which we do on the temple. So yeah, I do that things, and after that I came back and rest a bit, and after that I go for the food and I eaten the food, and then I went for my college, and in college I have attended all the lectures, and after completing of the college I came back my room and rest a bit, and because during these days I don't want to eat in night, so I went for food and eat the food before the sunset, and then after that completion of food, I went to my internship, and there I work 4 hour, and after and then came back to my room, and after that I do lots of things, daily things, and recorded the video, edited it and uploaded on YouTube, and completed my task of day 29, and these kind of things are completed, and then I go to the bed. So that's my day. If you also want to improve your English speaking, all you have to do is join this challenge or accept this challenge, and all I want to you share this video from your friends and family members who also want to improve their English speaking. Thank you for watching. We will meet very next day. I want to share something, because I have recording the video this second time, because first file is completely corrupted. So I have doing lots of hard work on recording the video. Thank you for watching. We will meet very next day.